for this next portion of our stream, we're going to be working on this Game Boy Color. This Game Boy Color has a dead speaker in it at the moment, so we are going to be replacing it with a funny playing speaker. I already went ahead and disassembled this, so we're just going to show you how the inside of this works. Typically, when you disassemble one of these, let me see if I can get this. You're going to want to disassemble it upside down. The PCB is generally screwed to the front piece right here. So you're going to want to take it out that way because there are screws on the interior that hold it in place. There is this ribbon, so when you take apart your Game Boy, be sure not to yank it. You need to basically kind of pry it apart like this, and you're going to go ahead and undo the ribbon that you see right here. That is the ribbon that connects to the screen. So yes, for us, what we're going to be doing though is we're going to be working over here. We have a couple of solder points right here that you'll see, and they're just simply some holes. So it should be really, really easy to just pop these out and then swap this one in. We just want to make sure that we're putting them in properly. And yeah, it'll be about right there. And then you got your left and your right. So we're going to go ahead and start from this side right here. And what we're simply going to do is actually, considering that we're now changing what we're doing right here, we're probably going to want to change out the iron tip as well to something that's a little bit more precise because we're going to be working with really small points. We're probably going to want to use this bad boy right here.
Yeah, like that needle nose.
You can see very fine point. You can see it's a very sharp tip, like a pencil tip. We're going to want to use something like this because the solder points on this piece of the board are very, very tiny. So we don't want to have any kind of overlap on heat into other places in the board. First things first, what I'm going to go ahead and have you do, Seth, is you're basically going to be pulling on this downward. I'll give you the cue on when to do that in a second.
All right.
First, we're going to go ahead and attempt to change out the tip on this. So let's try to get it cooled down. Very hot right now. There we go. Oof. Very hot soldering tip, guys. Very hot. Oof. Oh no. That's not what we wanted. Plastic piece came off instead of the. There we go. So much like with the last tip, we're just gonna swap. You don't want to use the new tip. Stick that bad boy in there. Boom. Oops. Perfecto. We're in there. I'll go ahead and plug this bad boy up. I'm gonna give that just a quick minute. Damn, we've been at it for 2 hours. Crazy, guys. Didn't expect the stream to last this long. But hey man, there we go. Looking forward to testing this one out. You could see that there's definitely some sort of damage. It looks like there might be some sort of rusting going on inside of this speaker. There's definitely some discoloration on the inside. Um, it's very possible that
Maybe some water damage or something.
maybe a little bit of cola inside of the speaker. That's very possible. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and say that our iron is gonna be hot enough. Seth, go ahead and give that speaker a little tug.
Okay. Beautiful. Easy peasy.
Now, next thing is gonna be a little bit more difficult. It definitely seems as if see if I can get any of this soldering with. Let's see. Let's see, it's working a little bit. Seems like we're gonna have to do shit.
Hmm.
Can't remember how to fuck put this in. This. It doesn't matter if it's up or down. I just gotta remember how the fuck I put it in. Here's the contact points. This goes like
So this
this goes like this.
right.
This.
And this was facing down.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. And this goes like this. Boom. And these go up along that side and they gotta come up. Okay. So then this second one. This one goes in the first one. Okay, so for this piece, I feel like I need to grab this, stick it through here.
Oh, cool. And they're already exposed.
Yeah,
Nice.
but I need to. So basically, I want you to hold the board like this.
Okay.
Just like that. Boom. This should be able to just put that right there. Hold it. Actually, hold it. Yeah.
Nice.
One.
Okay.
Alrighty. That's it.
Okay. All right.
I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of solder.
Just to make sure.
Yeah, to hold it in place.
Yep.
Otherwise, that is good.
Perfect.
That is good. Am I blind? Where's the solder at? That came out good. Boom. Okay, that's good. And let's Hey, boys and girls.
All right.
Let's see how that turned out. So the next thing that's going to happen is placement of these. Go ahead and do me a favor and just hold it like this. This over and oh, so this needs to go.
Bada boom.
This. That's in place. And okay, pass it. Nope. Let me make sure that. There we go. Okay, folks.
Slide the ribbon back on in.
Okie doke. Now, here. Pinch down like that.
Okay.
Prepare this stuff.
Internals. Are they just Phillips?
For these ones,
the
yes.
internals? Yeah.
That's actually a good thing.
Well, yeah, you already broke the proprietary seals on it. So yeah, once you get into the guts, you'd think it would just be universal stuff. Yep.
Oh, this isn't even the right size. It worked, but it should be. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. So the inside screws only go down. There's 3 circles with holes in the middle of them, and those are where these will return to. I swapped this out already, didn't I? But this isn't even the right one. What the fuck?
Top left, no.
What, top left?
Yeah, is
Nope.
that not one?
Nope, that's
No?
one of the
Okay.
screws from the frame.
Okay, cool. Right on.
Yeah, it's just these 3 down here that hold them in place.
Okay.
And almost all Nintendo products, on the boards, and I've actually noticed it with some other boards that I've worked on as well, is that screws, holes in the board that are meant to have screws go through them, have circles around them. Ones that don't actually have an X.
I have to check that out on the SFC because I know you need the bit in order. It's the exact same type of deal where you need the bit in order to open up the body, and then after that, it's all universal stuff. It's all Phillips.
Okay.
Same thing. It's an odd placement where there are only like 5 or 6 screws for the interior.
This part. These. go ahead and do me a favor.
Yep.
Reach into the bottom drawer of the game drawer. There should be a bag of batteries or something. No, the bottom one. Should be batteries in there. I'm just gonna put a couple of these back in before I get just to hold everything in place, and we're gonna play test. Get 2 batteries, and then just pull me out a Gameboy Color game. Pull me out a copy of Ages or something. Alrighty.
There you go. Proof's in the pudding. Sounds great. Sounds just like new.
And there we go, folks. Surgery is complete.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for tuning in. Here we go. We just swapped out a speaker. Super easy, guys.
Yep.
You can see if we could do it, you can do it. That's for sure. Just want to go ahead and give a shout out to everybody.
Thanks for hanging in there, guys. It was really good having you.
Hopefully in the near future, as far as surgery videos go, I'm hoping to actually do some mod videos for a Game Boy Advanced. I have like a small, like non-electric mod that I'm trying to finish off on my big Game Boy, the OG. I'm gonna be doing a faceplate swap on that one, to match so I can get like white, because I currently put white buttons and a white power slider on there. So there's that. The GBA, I'm looking at doing the IPS screen mod. So full light GBA mod, rechargeable battery, USB-C chargeable battery. I'm looking to do that on that same Game Boy. So we're definitely going to be doing a couple things with the Game Boy mods. So we'll let you guys know when we're going to be doing surgery again. Check back in maybe about an hour, and we're going to probably be playing a little bit of Melee for you guys. Alrighty, catch you later. Thank you, guys.
Later, guys. Thanks.